We're experimenting with Web3 because the last time we saw something with this much raw potential was in the introduction of the internet itself. Now, we're primarily talking about the potential of leveraging blockchain technology and the constructs around decentralization. Specifically, we're looking at DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Now, at its most simplistic, you can think of a DAO as the Web3 version of an LLC, but it's so much more than that. So much so, it has the potential to be one of the greatest threats to a mutual in over 100 years, which makes it one of the most compelling future opportunities. I mean, there are 4 mutuals on the Fortune 100 after all. And it turns out that the concept of a mutual company is very much back in fashion and growing in popularity at an alarming rate. The basic definition of a DAO is an organization owned and operated by its members, with a common treasury where all the proceeds are returned back to those members. If you replace members with policyholders, it starts to sound like a whole heck of a lot like a mutual. In fact, DAOs have already started coming for similar constructs, such as HOAs, co-ops, and even nonprofits. This is an area of innovation where we will poke the bear before the bear pokes us. We're excited to announce the latest experiment, FurInsure. This is the world's first pet insurance DAO. In fact, it's the world's first consumer insurance product offering offered as a DAO. Now, this isn't for your crypto kitties. This is real property and casualty insurance for real pets. And at its first incarnation, we're taking traditional Web 1.0 and 2.0 constructs and replacing them with Web 3. We're taking the first steps in decentralizing consumer insurance on the blockchain. So, in place of your policy, you'll be issued a smart contract. Instead of paying for your premium with dollars, you'll be able to pay with cryptocurrency. And in place of a traditional dividend, you'll receive tokens airdropped directly into your wallet. Now, every policyholder will be an owner in the DAO. And even those who contribute in building the DAO are owners in the DAO. And all are granted the ability to vote on proposals for how the DAO is managed and operated. So the next big digital transformation of the policy is on the horizon. And it's a smart contract. This is an inevitability. The policy of the future is immutable, trustless, automated, and encrypted. The policy of the future will most likely be airdropped directly into a consumer's wallet as a non-fungible token. And airdrops into the wallet have the potential to be more disruptive to email as a consumer engagement mechanism than email was to direct mail. Now, the wallet has the ability to be our authentication mechanism into apps. It is the mechanism in which we do money movement, and it's also the holder of the digital assets we acquire, which can be anything from a JPEG to a concert ticket, even our complete medical records. Now, imagine a future where buying something like car insurance is as easy as connecting with your wallet, where the wallet is itself account creation, where the wallet is username and password, where the wallet securely stores and only provides the necessary KYC information, where the wallet pays for the premium, and where the wallet ultimately holds your proof of insurance. All of this functionality within a singular, simple, and secured place, the wallet. The potential of decentralization and zero knowledge proofs for both scalability and user permission privacy and data ownership will be nothing short of transformative and disruptive. This isn't an experiment in purchasing goods with crypto. That's a decade-old concept that's as innovative as buying pizza over the internet. This is about the future of how we create and distribute legal documents. This is about the future of tokenomics for refunds, rebates, and even dividends. This is about the future of how we take ownership over our own data, how we store it, and then how, when, and at what level we provide access to it. This is about the future where the next major consumer brand may become decentralized and owned by the masses. This is the bear worth poking.